Hello, welcome to my video about integration of ChatGPT into a self-made smart home. ChatGPT is great to analyze language and give output according to rules, and this is how I use it in my smart home. This page will give you an overview how to do that. The detailed implementation will depend very much on your system, so I will not go into details. The first step is to configure OpenAI and Python. This is not very difficult. It took me less than 15 minutes, I think, to do it. You need an API secret key. You need to upload some money into your OpenAI account. You need to do a little bit of testing, and that is very quick and easy. This test script for me, for example, runs within 3 seconds. So that is a typical reaction time which you can expect. So that is a preparation to get ChatGPT running on your Raspberry Pi. The next step is to get the spoken text from Alexa, and that is a bit difficult and painful. You need a Flask system using ngrok to connect to your Alexa skill, which needs to be in the development mode. If you have done that already, you are lucky. If you would like to do it, there is a lot of documentation on it, how to do it, but be aware, for me it took several days to get it running, so this is a tough and complicated job. Once this hurdle is taken, I have here a proposal how to integrate the ChatGPT into the Alexa. And you can modify that, of course. This is a proposal. And here in the brackets is some code depending on the answer of ChatGPT, how to control your smart home depending on the output. To analyze the spoken text, I'm using this prompt. So I provide a table to ChatGPT, and I ask ChatGPT the input, to which line does it fit best. And that works quite nicely. So in the prompt, the text input in capital letters is replaced by the text provided by Alexa. And then ChatGPT selects a line and it outputs a keyword and speaks the line here back as an answer. That concept is working quite nicely. In order to get the text which you have spoken to your Echo, you need to add a skill, for example, invocation name home, to your account in the developer console. And you need an intent like this as a proposal. You always need a keyword like to. Yeah? In German I've used bitte. For the sample, you cannot just forward any text to this intent. And this will enable you to trigger it with Alexa, ask home to do something. Yeah? Here in my smart home, I can show it to you. You also see the reaction time. Alexa, sage Home, bitte mache das Licht aus.
Ich mache das Licht aus.
So, you see the light here on that side turned off. Alexa, sage Home, bitte turn the light on.
Ich mache das Licht an.
You see, both ways working, and the second time I was using English. So ChatGPT is translating and still finding the good line. Alexa, stop. So that is the concept. Get Python running, get OpenAI account managing and providing the API interface, test the API interface, get the Flask system running to grab the spoken text from your Echo, analyze it, let ChatGPT find the good line, Yeah? You see here, for example, the sun is strong, yeah, and that means the blinds should go down. So you can have some creativity here to catch as much as possible for the user to be able to invoke commands. And then in the script, you can insert the commands to control your smart home. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.